Hey guys, it's Jamie. Today we're going to be doing a vlog since we are going to Tractor Supply to get a bunch of fencing and T-posts for new pastures for our cattle and also some stuff for the horses. So we're going to bring you guys along and we'll see you on the road. All the fencing for the new pastures for our cattle. So the first load of the wood and the T-posts are already in the trailer, and we're coming back for a second load for the barbed wire and the discer for the pastures. So the tire was leaking, so they're switching out the tire now on the trailer, and then we're gonna head back, come back here to Tractor Supply, and then take another run back for the rest of the stuff that we need. But in the meantime, little scissors. Oh yeah. So we're back at Tractor Supply. We had to run home and drop off the trailer. We're back now. We're getting the discer for the tractor. It's an implement for it. Now also have to get the barbed wire in the bed of the truck, and then we'll be headed back home. So it's been a few days since we made the run at Tractor Supply, and we got everything home. It is a cloudy day. It's been raining off and on all day. Lovey. Crazy dogs. Okay. Hi, Lulu. And I wanted to show you guys a little bit of the area that we're going to be fencing in since I'm going to be showing you guys some of the area that we're going to be fencing in, not all of it since it's way far down there. So, but anyway, I'm going to show you guys where we're going to kind of fence it in. So as you can see, here's the already existing pasture where the horses, minus Sky, and the cattle and calves are in. And here's where the new pasture is going to kind of start so that we can move cattle from this pasture to this pasture to rotate them, and it's gonna kind of be a pasture through here. I don't know if I'm gonna walk all the way down there because it's pretty far, but maybe I have an idea. I'm gonna show you guys from up here. Oh my, hi! Crazy farm dogs. Stubby, are you a crazy farm dog? You definitely are a crazy farm dog. And the pasture is going to extend all throughout here and back over there, following the creek that way. You guys might know that from the trail riding videos that we've posted. And so the cattle are going to have this nice area to be rotated in between pasture. Over there, we're hoping also to put a garden area, about an acre of corn. And we're just really excited to bring you guys along with all that because it's going to be really exciting, a lot of new experiences. So this is going to be all future pastures. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that kind of shows you guys where we're going to be doing it, give you an idea. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And turn on the notification bell so you don't miss when we upload a new video. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. See you, bye, Sassy.